So today we're trying to honor any veterans in the area that have fought or just been in the reserves or anything. They have given the oath to protect us and our country.
It's a way for people to reach out and kind of get to know the veterans and also kind of show them who we are as a battalion and how much we believe in them.
We put all of this together for them and to honor them.
I enlisted in the Marine Corps my senior year, along with 4 of my other buddies, all of us 17. We went to boot camp together, and I volunteered for the infantry and volunteered for Vietnam. It's amazing. I mean, to be back in a place that I spent so much time and meant so much to me, and where my closest friends were. This is the place that gave me the good memories that sustained me during the darkest moments when I was in the jungle. So coming back here is just, it feels wonderful.